Welcome to Easy Driver, the most reliable source of automotive information on YouTube.
Continuing with the Chrysler Pacifica, we explore deeper mechanical and electrical problems that mechanics often point out, especially as the vehicle ages and undergoes regular daily use. The power sliding doors rely on motors, cables, and sensors that can become misaligned or fail over time, causing doors to get stuck, close unevenly, or stop responding to remote commands. While these issues may seem minor at first, they can become major inconveniences for families who depend on quick and reliable access to the vehicle in tight parking spaces or during busy daily routines. When we move into the interior technology of the Chrysler Pacifica, we find another layer of complexity. The infotainment system, digital displays, and connectivity features are impressive when they work properly, but they can sometimes suffer from lag, freezing, or sudden resets. Mechanics often point out that these issues are not always caused by hardware failure but can be related to software glitches that require updates or resets, which can be frustrating for owners expecting seamless performance. In hybrid versions of the Pacifica, there are additional considerations involving the hybrid battery system, regenerative braking, and high-voltage components. While the hybrid system offers excellent fuel efficiency, it also introduces more complexity and potential repair costs if something goes wrong. Technicians emphasize that hybrid diagnostics require specialized tools and training, meaning not every repair shop can handle these systems properly, which can limit repair options depending on location. Another common theme among mechanics is that while the Chrysler Pacifica is very appealing during the first few years of ownership, especially under warranty, long-term durability becomes more questionable compared to some rival minivans known for higher reliability. This is why many mechanics advise potential buyers to think carefully about long-term maintenance costs, resale value, and parts availability, because even small recurring issues can add up significantly over time. Brake system wear is another point of attention, as some owners report faster than average brake pad and rotor wear, especially in city driving conditions where frequent stopping is required. While brake maintenance is normal for any vehicle, mechanics note that certain driving patterns in the Pacifica may accelerate wear, making regular inspections essential for safety. Tire wear is also worth noting, since alignment issues or suspension wear can lead to uneven tire degradation. This increases costs and can also affect fuel efficiency and ride comfort over time. When all of these factors are combined, it becomes clear why mechanics often caution drivers to stay on top of maintenance with this vehicle. The Chrysler Pacifica is not necessarily a bad vehicle, but it is one that demands consistency, attention, and proactive care. Owners who ignore early warning signs such as unusual noises, dashboard alerts, or subtle changes in driving behavior often find themselves facing more expensive repairs later on. Despite these concerns, it is also fair to acknowledge why the Pacifica remains popular. It offers one of the most comfortable interiors in its class, flexible seating arrangements including stow-and-go storage in certain trims, advanced safety features, and a smooth driving experience when everything is functioning properly. Ultimately, mechanics emphasize balance. Every modern vehicle is a trade-off between technology, comfort, and long-term reliability, and the Chrysler Pacifica leans heavily toward comfort and features, which means it requires a more proactive approach to maintenance. In conclusion, when mechanics warn against the Chrysler Pacifica, they are not necessarily saying it is a vehicle to avoid entirely, but rather one that should be understood deeply before ownership. Awareness of transmission behavior, electrical complexity, sliding door systems, hybrid components, and routine wear items can make the difference between a smooth ownership experience and a stressful one. For anyone considering this minivan, it becomes essential to stay informed, follow maintenance schedules strictly, and pay attention to early symptoms, because in the long run, the key to enjoying a Chrysler Pacifica is not just in driving it, but in maintaining it with care and consistency. Please comment, like, share, and subscribe for more automotive information like this. Thank you for watching.